Are you looking for the top 5 best beach backpacks for your summer fun? Before buying a beach backpack, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. The real buyers are definitely talking about how many bags just can't handle the wet, sandy chaos of a beach day.
Product number 1, Maiku Cooler Backpack. First up is the Maiku Cooler Backpack, priced at $25.63. What caught my attention was its dual compartments designed to keep your drinks cool while storing snacks separately. If you want a way to keep your refreshments chilled at the beach, this is worth a serious look. This backpack has a leak-proof lining thanks to its advanced hot pressing technique, which means you won't end up with a soggy backpack after a day at the beach. It holds up to 40 cans, so you'll definitely have enough space for a big day out. Plus, the 2 side fastening straps are great for securing your drinks, preventing any spills while you're on the move. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You need a bag that can handle the sun and surf without falling apart. Now, some people complained about the size being a bit bulky for everyday use. Here's the thing though, if you're heading to the beach, you typically want to carry a lot. So unless you're looking for something ultra compact, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're planning a beach picnic or a long day out with family. Skip this one if you just need a small bag for quick trips to the beach. For the price, it offers great value considering its high capacity and durability. Now, if the bulkiness of the Maiku Cooler Backpack bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, TYR Big Mesh Mummy Backpack. Next up is the TYR Big Mesh Mummy Backpack, a steal at just $12.24. The first thing that stood out was its large capacity and mesh design. If you want a lightweight option for all your swim gear, this is definitely one to check out. This backpack features a spacious 40-liter capacity that's perfect for holding everything from snorkeling gear to beach towels. The mesh venting allows for faster drying, which is super important when you're dealing with wet items. Plus, the adjustable straps make it comfortable to carry, and the barrel lock closure gives you quick access to your stuff. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You want a bag that allows you to pack everything without worrying about moisture buildup. But some users did mention that the mesh material might not offer enough protection for delicate items. Here's the thing, if you're just carrying swim gear or towels, that shouldn't be a major concern. Just be careful with anything fragile. This is perfect for you if you're a swimmer or just need a reliable bag for beach outings. Skip this one if you need something more structured or protective for fragile items. At this price, it delivers great value for a spacious, practical beach bag. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more stylish yet functional bag.
Product number 3, Hoham Swim Mesh Beach Bag. Coming in at just $8.99, we have the Hoham Swim Mesh Beach Bag. What caught my eye was the breathable mesh design and drawstring closure. If you need a super lightweight option for a quick beach day, this is worth a look. This bag measures 23 by 19 inches and can hold up to 40 liters, which is plenty of room for your essentials. The mesh fabric not only helps items dry quickly, but also allows for ventilation, which is great for sandy items. It has a built-in anti-theft pocket for your valuables, making it a safe choice for the beach. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You want something that's easy to carry, but also keeps your valuables secure while you enjoy the sun. Now, some reviews pointed out that the drawstring closure can be a bit fiddly. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it's pretty straightforward. It's a minor inconvenience for the price. This is perfect for you if you love quick trips to the beach or pool. Skip this one if you need a bag that offers more structure or extensive compartments. For its low price, it's a fantastic value for casual beachgoers. Now, if you like the lightweight aspect of the Hoham bag, but want something that can handle more gear, let's look at our next product.
Product number 4, Osprey Ultralight Stuff Pack. Next, we have the Osprey Ultralight Collapsible Stuff Pack, priced at $36.10. What really caught my attention was its packable design. If you want a lightweight, collapsible option for day trips, this is definitely worth considering. This backpack has an 18-liter capacity and weighs just about 0.3 pounds, which is perfect for those who want to save space without sacrificing utility. It's made from recycled nylon, showing you can be eco-friendly while traveling. The breathable mesh shoulder straps ensure comfort, and the dual stretch pockets make it easy to store essentials. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You need a bag that can fit into your luggage without taking up much space, yet still be functional when you need it. However, some users mentioned that the size might be too small for extended trips. Here's the thing. If you're just looking for a day pack, this size is actually quite handy. It's not meant for long vacations, but shines for short outings. This is perfect for you if you like to travel light and need a bag that packs into itself for easy transportation. Skip this one if you need something spacious for longer beach days. Considering its innovative design and eco-friendly materials, it offers excellent value. Alright, that was an interesting option, but if you want something with more capacity yet still lightweight, let's check out our final pick.
Product number 5. Thai Big Mesh Mummy Backpack, blue-yellow. Last but not least, we have another Thai Big Mesh Mummy Backpack, this time in blue-yellow, priced at $13.95. This caught my eye for its fun color and large capacity. If you're looking for a stylish yet functional beach bag, this one might be for you. It features the same large capacity as the previous Thai model, so you can pack all your swimming and beach gear without any issues. The mesh design allows for quick drying and optimal drainage, making it ideal for sandy or wet items. It also has adjustable straps for comfort and a secure closure for easy access. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You want a bag that not only looks good, but also performs well on the beach. Some customers expressed concerns about durability over time. Here's the thing, as long as you're using it for its intended purpose, it should hold up just fine. Just avoid overloading it with heavy items. This is perfect for you if you want a colorful, spacious bag for beach activities. Skip this one if you need a more sturdy design for heavy-duty use. For the price, it's a great deal for a stylish, functional beach backpack.
So there you have it. We've covered the MIYCO Cooler Backpack, TYR Big Mesh Mummy Backpack, Ho Home Swim Mesh Beach Bag, Osprey Ultralight Stuff Pack, and another TYR Big Mesh Mummy Backpack. Each has its own strengths, from capacity to style, so you can find the perfect fit for your beach days. Happy beaching!